welcome to the HM Adventures, and today we're going to be doing a challenge, which we're going to be trying to drink this. It's like we're gonna get like a little bowl and then pour some in, and we have to drink all of it. Yes, this is cough syrup, but it is actually really gross for me and my brother. It tastes like sea salt, and I hate it. And somehow my parents like it. I really don't know why. So we're going to be doing a challenge, and the first person to quit loses.
And it's because both of them have a little cough, so that's why they're taking it. But they don't want to take it because it has cayenne pepper, it has sea salt, lemon, honey. So the challenge
is like a whole bunch of combinations. There's sweet, there's sour, there's spicy. Like,
and if they get it, they get their Snapple juice and their gummy vitamin to take that they like. All right, who's going first?
Rock, paper, scissors to see who's going.
Rock, paper, scissors? Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No.
All right, Layla. The camera saw it. You're up first.
Okay.
Here we go. Let's see if you can do it. Here's your juice. All right, let's see if she can do it, guys.
Give her gummies too.
Oh, here's your gummies. Oh, both of them?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Take it and then I'll give it to you. Okay.
There you go. Thank you.
Don't drop them. Okay, ready? 1. And then count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Go! Let's see if she can do it, guys. Go. Come on.
Go,
One time.
Go 2 days. 3.
Don't think about it.
2.
1.
I taste a little bit disgusting.
Come on, you can do it, baby.
It tastes like the tamarind Mexican candies.
Yeah, but those are gross. This is spicy. Go. Mommy, look how little this is. This smells so bad.
Just do it.
Come on.
Grandma wants to see you do it.
Go, Layla, go.
Go, Layla.
Go, Layla, go.
Come on.
Go, Layla, go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. All of it. Come on. Don't taste it.
Go.
Go.
Come on, Layla. You can do it. Layla's going to do it right now. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Don't even think about it.
Just drink it. One drink.
I believe you.
Come
How
on.
do you know? You haven't even tasted it.
Oh, I've tasted it. Okay, I'm first gonna taste this and see if it's even gonna.
Yeah.
Okay, that's strong.
Don't drop it.
Is Layla going to chicken out?
Hey.
Ruben, tell her what a chicken sounds like.
Chicken out. Or chicken butt, chicken butt.
Chicken out. No, baby.
Take it.
You go first and then he's going to go.
Take it.
No. Hey, don't drop it.
Take it, Ruben. Take
All right, Ruben. Show her how it's done.
I'll give you my gummy vitamins. Mama, give this to him. Ruben, please.
Okay.
Here, please, mommy.
No.
So we got a change of plans. Layla chickened out.
Unspill it.
Now Ruben's going to do it. He's going to show everybody how tough he is.
Stop. Unspill this.
Don't spill it, Ruben. Come on.
It's actually not bad. Look at this.
Come on, baby. Please take it, Ollie. Come
Oh,
on,
the
please.
ingredients here.
We've been here for a long time now. Come on, let's just take it so we can go home. Do it real quick, drink your juice, and then you can have your gummies and we'll go home.
Immune support.
Okay, I'll drink.
You can drink some juice first. Go ahead, drink some juice. It's really good. So good, huh? Okay, so you take this real quick, and then you take that, and you're done.
Can I just take one sip?
Yeah, you can do that. Go ahead. Go. Gross, my boy. That's my boy. Go. Do it again. That's my boy. Yeah. Do it again. One more big gulp.
Drink it all. One big
more
one.
gulp.
One big one.
Come on. Ooh.
Now the
Okay, here.
gummies. Where's his
I got
gummies?
it, I gave it to him.
High five, Ruben. Good
I'm
job.
so proud of you. Layla, it's your turn.
Dang it! Where's my where?
Layla's up. Can't chicken
where-
out now.
Where's my apple juice?
Oh.
Here you go. Here you go. That's okay.
Yeah,
Here, we
where's
have
yours?
one. Where's it at? babe?
No.
Did you only get one?
No. Oh,
Okay.
it's right here. Here's the second one.
My
Let me
gummy.
get- Open it
My
for her.
gummy. My gummy. Oh, my gummy vitamin.
What happened to it?
Here,
Can I
here's
do the
another
same
one.
strategy as my brother?
Here, we'll find it. Yes.
Yeah.
As long as you do it, because
Okay. I'll do it.
I have your gummies here.
Please support me.
I'm two.
This is actually really gross.
Here, hold that. But you gotta drink every last drop of that.
Okay. Well, my brother didn't drink every last drop.
Yeah, but I think I gave him a little more. Okay, here. All right.
3,
2. Ready?
Uh,
3, 2, 1, go. Go, 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 go. Goes out. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Good. Again. Did you finish that already? Then more. The rest of it. Come on.
Drink the rest. Drink the rest.
Come on. You got this.
Go.
One more, and you're done. One more.
Look at Layla
Go,
being
go,
so
go,
tough.
go. Ah, you did it. I'm so proud of you. Here.
And that's how it's done, folks. Tom, how was it, Ruben?
It was a little bit bad.
It was a little bad. How was the drink?
Good.
What about your gummies?
Gosh, I'm wet.
What about you, Layla? How was it?
Here's your cups.
I'll still drink it.
You can't, but I'm just giving
Huh?
it to you.
Bad.
It was bad. Was that the worst?
I'll never take that again.
Yeah, you're gonna take it in about 4 hours. All right, tell everyone good night.
No!
What do you have to say to your fans, Layla?
Be brave.
What about you, Ruben? What do you have to say to people?
Thank you for watching your videos. Okay.
All right, say good night.
Good night. Bye. And I'm never taking that medicine again, by the way.